go in a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. Smoky and the Bandit tribute car with a nice 6.6 liter. Breathed on a little bit. Engine there with a 4-speed tranny. Thing's a lot of fun. It's got the Hurst T-Tops on it. Well, let's see if we're gonna run this.
Oh, I'm gonna stop this time.
Hey, he actually stopped at the stop sign.
Rookie.
Oh yeah, there he goes. So this is a pretty fun looking car. We even got an antenna that goes on it, you know, so it really looks like the Smoky.
Yep. Little shaker hood sticking through the hood, and I love that.
Yeah, and I think the engine receipt was around 10 grand for this thing.
Yep, aluminum heads.
Aluminum heads. So it's got some horsepower. Coming up on the big stop sign. But it's got some freeway flyer rear gear, so you know you can take it on the freeway and stuff.
Yep. Posi-traction, power steering, power disc brakes.
Yep, all the normal stuff. I don't even mention that, it's all normal.
That's true.
I don't think they sold the car with, you know, no power steering, no power brakes, but you know, you never know.
Probably not. Hey, but this is important. It's got a cup holder.
Yeah, it's got a cup holder too. That's always important.
To not hold your beer.
Yeah, unless you're in Texas. Well, never mind. They changed that law too.
Check this one out. A 1978 Pontiac Trans Am Bandit Tribute. Started life as a real black on black Trans Am with the correct Hurst T-Tops. So this is the way it looked. It's not a special edition though. This one's got a 4-speed in it, upgraded AM/FM CD stereo, tilt wheel, power steering, power disc brakes, kind of standard I think on these. Paint's really nice. Got the BF Goodrich TA radials on there. Couple imperfections here and there. The T-tops are starting to delaminate and they're actually not available anymore. Really hard to find. But they were resealed. Everything looks real good. As good as it can. Got the gold bird on the hood. TA 6.6 hood scoop. A lot of eyeball with this car driving it around. Everybody knows what it is if you watch the movies. The antenna is magnetic, which is cool. You can take it off. So you just want to go cruise it around and look normal. But if you want to look goofy with a magnetic antenna, there you go. Tons of fun. Here's the power plant in the 78 Trans Am. It's the 400. It's got aluminum heads on it. It was rebuilt. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. I think we got about a $10,000 engine receipt. So roller cam, roller rockers, pretty nice setup. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got aluminum radiator in it, which helps out a little bit with these Pontiacs. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Runs nice and smooth. It's got the Trans Am tips, the dual tips on each side. Nice little sound to it. That's a fun car. If you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can ask for Rich or Gary. We'd be happy to show you the car if you come on out our way. Thanks for watching.